Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you some butterflies which are quick and super easy to make. I have used Papermania stamp for these, but you can use any of your butterfly stamp which you already have in your stash. I have used Archival black ink and my MISTI Tool for perfect stamping. I have created some vintage butterflies few days ago with the same technique, and you can find the video at the end of this video, or I have mentioned the link in the description box too. I have used Prima ATC cards and papers for that. It's a 2-layer butterfly and I'm cutting the antenna of the bottom layer one. When you are cutting the top layer, you need to be careful that you have to cut it with its antennas. I'm distressing the edges of my butterfly with cracked pistachio and peacock feather distress inks. I have just glued them together and added half pearls and some rhinestones from my stash. Now I'm using glass glitter from Finnabair to decorate my butterflies. You can use anything glittery for your decoration. I have mentioned all supplies link in the description box. Hope you like it, give it a try, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya!